Hello, welcome to Valucop YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how you can buy Doggy on BakerySwap. Now BakerySwap, it's like every other exchange, every other decentralized exchange built on this Binance Smart Chain, just like a PancakeSwap. And you can use it the same way that you use your PancakeSwap. Now Doggy is an NFT token that is listed on BakerySwap, and it has lots and lots and lots of future potentials. So I'm going to use Doggy to show you how you can buy Doggy using BakerySwap and every other token that is listed or would be listed on BakerySwap. Meanwhile, don't forget to click the like button, and don't forget to share this video with anyone who will need this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. There are other videos too that would help you in any part of your trading activities. So first thing first is for you to type BakerySwap. Type BakerySwap and click on it. Now you change this button up here to Smart Chain, then you go to bakeryswap.org. Not bakeryswap.org, not BakerySwap, bakeryswap.com. So you click on this BakerySwap. Remember that you can also mint your NFT using BakerySwap. You can also mint your NFT using BakerySwap. Now this is BakerySwap. So you click this tab by the side, you go to exchange, and this is exchange now. And then so you search for, because it's already listed on BakerySwap, so just simply look for Doggy, type Doggy, click on Doggy, and then of course you can use BNB, you can use BUSD, you can use BNB, either you deposit BNB or BUSD to do this trade. So you can do let's just take for example now, let's say you want to use maybe 0.1, which is 0.1 to buy. 0.1 is about $50 to buy it. This is the quantity you're going to buy, so you can simply click swap. It's going to cost you less than 0.5 gas fee to transact, and then you swap. When you swap, it goes into your balance. It will appear on your Trust wallet, and it will be on the BakerySwap exchange. So now, even if you want to use, let's just see if you can use BUSD to buy it. Now this is BUSD. This is BUSD. Now this is how much it can buy for you with this quantity. So you click on approve, it's approved BUSD, and then it will go through route. This is the route it's going to follow. So you can see it's BUSD. BUSD is stable coin, is the BNB, like it's a stable coin, BNB pegged stable coin, like Binance pegged stable coin. So you can still, so when you're on profit, or you click on approve BUSD, it will take a little bit of gas fee, like about 0. Maybe less than 0.2, and then you then it will take you to swap. You click on swap, and it costs like another, a little bit of gas fee, but everything will be up to $1. So, and then you have your Doggy. Now, how do you know you're on profit? The best way to know you're on profit when you are using either this BakerySwap or even PancakeSwap is that, take for example now you have your Doggy. You simply when you come to exchange, let's do this. You already have your Doggy and you want to sell everything. Now look at, you do max. You bought Doggy with $50. Then you change the BNB, because normally to be in BNB, you change the BNB to BUSD. Change it to BUSD. Click on it, you see the amount, the value of what you have in dollar. You see the value of what you have in dollar. So, and then you now decide to maybe sell a particular quantity. Maybe you bought with $50, want to take profit. So this is like half of it will give you this. Is set to like pull out your capital, and then you click swap. You pull out this and leave the rest. This is how you can take profit and and leave the rest so that it can appreciate. Because just imagine buying with $50, and this is one doggy is about 0.02 dollars today. Just imagine it getting to $1. That's lots of money for you if you buy this quantity. So, and then a lot of development is coming for Doggy. I know that there's a lot of reason for you to buy this token. It's NFA, not financial advice. It's just a recommendation. So I'm just using Doggy to explain to you how to use BakerySwap, how you can buy it, how you can take profit in it.